square plus 3. All of you be attended page 165, exercise 4, section E, question 3, sub question 8. Limit h tends to 0, f2 plus h minus f2 divided by h, where fx equals to 2x square plus 3. I am explaining one question and I will be asking the other two, so be attended. First of all, we need to find f2 plus h and f2. Did you all write up till here? Now what we have to do is, f2 plus h means wherever you have x, you will substitute 2 plus h. Any confusion? No. Wherever there is x, you will substitute 2 plus h. So 2 remains as it is. In place of x, now I will write 2 plus h whole square plus 3. Raise your hand who did not understand it. Right now. Now, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square. In place of a there is 2. In place of b there is h. So, a square means 2 square. Then 2ab, so 2 into h, plus b square means h square. Raise your hand who did not understand this. All are clear with this? Plus 3 as it is. Now 2 into 4 plus 4h plus h square plus 3. 2 square is 4, 2 into 2 4h plus h square. Understood that everyone? Now 2 into 4 is 8 plus 2 into 4h is 8h plus 2 into h square plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 8h plus 2h square. Did everyone understand this? Any confusions? Now F2. Again, wherever there is x, now we have to put 2. So, if in place of x, you put 2, you will get 2. In place of x, 2 square plus 3. In place of x, we will put 2, so it will become 2 square plus 3. 2 square is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So all are clear with f2 plus h and f2? Yeah. Now we can put the value in limits and simplify it. Who all are still writing up till f2? Raise your hand. So write down limit h tends to 0, f2 plus h minus f2 upon h is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now, in place of f2 plus h, I'll write 11 plus 8h plus 2h square. Okay? Minus, in place of f2 I will write simply 11 upon h. 11 minus 11 gets answer. One more thing, if h tends to 0, then what will be one of the factors? H minus 0 means h itself, so that will get it here. Limit h tends to 0, 8h plus 2h square upon h. Now what is common in the numerator? 2h. Okay, what is common in the numerator? 2h. 2h into 4 is 8h and 2h into h is 2h square. Any confusion in this? If you take out 2h common in bracket, you will get 4 plus h. Clear or not clear with this? Divided by h. H gets cancelled. Limit h tends to 0, 2 in bracket 4 plus h. Now we'll substitute the values, so we'll not write limits. 2 bracket 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0 is 4 into 2, that is 8. Did you all understand this question? Any doubts on this? Question number 9. Limit x tends to 0, f2 plus x minus f2 minus x upon 2x, where fx equals to x square. Now, first of all, fx equals to x square, so we need f2 plus x and f2 minus x. Make f2 plus x. What will we get? What should I write? Kushi?
f2 plus x square.
By f are you writing? Wherever there is x, you'll put 2 plus x. So what will you get? In place of x, you'll write 2 plus x whole square. Did you understand this question? Now again, a plus b whole square formula. Make up. Yes, a square
Plus 2
yes plus 2ab plus b square. Did you understand this, everyone? In place of a there is 2, in place of b there is x. So a square means 2 square plus 2ab means 2 into 2 into x plus b square means x square. Any confusion in this? Raise your hand. So 2 square is 4, 2 into 2x is 4x plus x square. Now f 2 minus x. Now Vrinda, 2 minus x whole square plus x square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. But listen everyone, instead of wasting your time, here we did same a plus b whole square, which is now a minus b whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square means directly you can write this step now. 4 minus 4x plus x square. Straight away. Instead of wasting the time. Understood this? This was a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So values will remain same. Straight away a square, this plus becomes minus 2ab plus b square. Any doubt in this? So no need to show the whole calculation again. In textbook as they have not shown, they directly written it. But just to make you understand, I have written this step. Are you okay with this? Now we can solve the limits. Limit x tends to 0, f2 plus x minus f2 minus x upon 2x. Everybody?
Limit x tends to 0.
Limit x tends to 0.
4 plus 4x square plus x
4 plus 4x plus x square.
minus 4
Minus, but write it in bracket because there is minus, all the values will change. So in bracket you'll write
minus 4 minus 4x plus x square.
yes. Be attentive everyone. F2 plus x means 4 plus 4x plus x square. And minus f2 minus x means you'll minus this whole 4 minus 4x plus x square. But write that in bracket. If it was plus in between, you could have written as it is. But because there is minus, all the signs will change. Divided by 2x. So limit x tends to 0. Disha, immediately you could have answered if you were attending. Okay, I don't want anything else in between. As I said, today the questions are lengthy. And not only you are willing to leave early, I also have to leave early today. Means, if possible. So, don't waste my time and your time, everyone. Be attentive to the things going on. 4 plus 4x plus x square minus 4 minus into minus becomes plus 4x and minus into plus becomes minus x square. Divide by 2x. Did everyone understand? If you open the bracket, signs will change. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So limit x tends to 0. No discussion in between. What all will get cancelled? 4 minus 4 cancel. What else will get cancelled? Well, 2x will cancel. X square minus x square will also get cancelled. And silence. What is 4x plus 4x? 8x. So now 8x divided by 2x. So there is directly 4. X gets cancelled and 2 into 4 is the answer is 4. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Did everyone understand this? Now question number 10. Limit x tends to 2. Fx minus f2 divided by x minus 2, where fx is equal to x square plus x. Growth. First of all, fx is directly available. So we just need to find f2. Growth. What are you doing, Growth? Wherever there is x, you have to substitute 2. Is it so difficult? Wherever there is x, you substitute 2. Where did you go for the tuitions in 10th standard? Is he alive? After teaching you? 2 square plus 2, 4 plus 2, that is 6. Wherever there is x, you have to put 2. Did you understand it or not? Yes, silence everyone. Now limit x tends to 2. Fx minus f2 upon x minus 2. Swara?
X minus 2.
Limit x tends to 2.
X minus 2.
Why? What is fx? Fx is x square plus x. In place of fx, we'll simply write x square plus x. Silence. Then?
X plus x minus 6.
Yes, in place of f2, we will write minus 6 upon x minus 2. Now we will do verbalization. Limit x tends to 2. Silence. X tends to 2, so what will be one of the factors? X minus 2. In between you have to put minus, so x minus 2. Now first term divided by first term. So x square divided by x, x. And last term divided by last term. Minus 6 divided by minus 2, 3. Plus 3. Upon x minus 2. Did you understand this? X minus 2 cancel. Limit x tends to 2, x plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Lot of noises coming in between. So everyone is clear with this type of questions? Any doubts in that? Look at illustration 19. And before illustration 19, in the summary, before illustration 19 in the summary, we have done this formulas in 11th standard, binomial expansion. So, note down two formulas which will help in this chapter. A plus B whole cube, AQ plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus BQ. And A minus B whole cube, AQ minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus BQ. We studied in binomial expansion, if the power is 3, then as per Pascal's triangle, coefficients will be 1, 3, 3, 1. Then you start with A raised to 3 and keep on decreasing the powers. So A raised to 3, A raised to 2, A raised to 1 and A raised to 0 will become 1. And you start with B raised to 0, that is 1. B raised to 1, B raised to 2, B raised to 3. Same you will do with A minus B, but signs will become minus, plus, minus. And you remember these two formulas right now? A plus B whole cube, AQ plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus BQ. And A minus B whole cube, AQ minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus BQ. Now, illustration 19 on page 155. Keep silence, everyone. If fx equals to x cube, find the value of limit h tends to 0 f3 plus h minus f3 minus h divided by 2h. First of all, fx is given as x cube. Okay, as you can see, fx is given as x cube. We need first f3 plus h and f3 minus h. So f3 plus h, in place of x, in place of x we will put 3 plus h. So x cube will become 3 plus h whole cube. Now we'll apply this formula, a plus b whole cube. In place of a we have 3, in place of b we have h. A cube means 3 cube plus 3, a square means 3 square, b means h plus 3, a is 3, then b square means h square plus b cube means h cube. I repeat it, a square plus, a cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Did everyone understand this? Now 3 cube is 27. 3 square is 9 into 3 is also 27h. 3 into 3 is 9h square plus h cube. Any doubts with this? Raise your hand. Now f3 minus h, as I told you earlier also. Now no need to solve it completely again. 3 plus h will become 3 minus h whole cube. The values will remain same. It will become minus plus minus. So no need to solve it entirely again. 27 minus 27h plus 9h square minus h cube. Did you all understand this? Values will remain same. It will become minus plus minus. Now we'll simplify this limit. Limit h tends to 0, f 3 plus h minus f3 minus h upon 2h is equal to limit h tends to 0. In place of f3 plus h, we'll write this whole factor. 27 plus 27h plus 9h square plus h cube minus, in bracket, f3 minus h, because it's minus, so everything will write in bracket. 27 minus 27h plus 9h square minus h cube divided by 2h is equal to limit h tends to 0. First we'll open the brackets. So 27 plus 27h plus 9h square plus h cube as it is. Now if you open this brackets, all signs will change because there is minus. So minus 27 plus 27h minus 9h square plus h cube. All the signs will change. Divide by 2h. So limit h tends to 0 now. 27 gets cancelled. 9h square gets cancelled. 27h plus 27h, 54h, h cube plus h cube, 2h cube upon 2h. Any doubt in this? 27h plus 27h, 54h, h cube plus h cube, 2h cube. Now in the numerator 2h is common. In bracket 2h into 27 is 54h plus 2h into h square is 2h cube upon 2h entirely gets cancelled. Limit h tends to 0, 27 plus h square, 27 plus 0 square, that is 27. So all of you are clear with this function f kind of questions. Okay. See, suppose I give you the question, limit x tends to 2, x cube minus 2 cube upon x minus 2. Okay, now here we cannot use that formula of factorization because it's not a polynomial x squared minus something x plus a constant number or something like that. So going with the actual formulas, you know that x minus 2 is a common factor, but a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, a cube minus b cube's formula, a minus b into a square plus ab, so 2x plus b square, so 2 square is 4. Now this gets cancelled. So x square plus 2x plus 4. 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 4. Now in place of x we have to put 2. So 2 square plus 2 into x will become 2 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12. Did you understand this, everyone? Now, if, listen carefully, limit x tends to a, x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a is given, then it will directly be equal to na raised to n minus 1. Instead of doing this all things, is this similar expression? X raised to n, x raised to 3 minus a raised to n, 2 raised to 3. upon x minus a x minus 2. So can I say here n is 3? Any doubts? A is 2 raised to n is 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1?
2.
What is 2 square
4.
into 3?
12.
So many steps are simplified by directly doing n a raised to n minus 1. And imagine this was only cube. If it was raised to the power 1000, you have questions with the power of 2018 also. So, except magic, nothing will work. Okay, that's the reason I have given the name as magic. Understood this portion, everyone? So, write down this magic in summary. No need to write this example, it was just to explain you that how the values come same. I have taken cube so that the steps are a bit lengthy. With square, it could have been also done. See, all the questions I am explaining you, and you have to repeat all of them in homework, because there are only 3 such illustrations, very less in number. So, particularly this magic questions only you have to repeat. Okay, all the classwork examples you have to repeat. So, exercise 4, section D, page 165. Yesterday we did up till 11. Now we'll solve the remaining ones today. First look at question number 13. And everyone understand the steps properly, okay? Limit x tends to 3. X raised to 6 minus 729 divided by x raised to 4 minus 81. Now, listen carefully what we are supposed to do. Okay? Put your pen down. Limit x tends to 3. We have to convert this question into this type of order. Then only we can use the formula n raised to n minus 1. So what you have to simply do is, if x tends to 3, then in place of 729, you will write 3 raised to 6 without verifying in calculator. It will be correct only. Always it will be correct. Okay? If you want to waste time, you can waste. But whenever you have x tends to 3, directly 729 will be replaced with 3 raised to 6. And directly 81 will be replaced with 3 raised to 4. First step. Any confusions with this? Write down. X raised to 6 minus 3 raised to 6 divided by x raised to 4. Okay, one more thing. Use the sign of division instead of writing upon. I'll tell you in the next step. Okay, use the sign of division instead of writing upon. Is the meaning same or not?
Yes.
Raise your hand who is not clear with this step. Straight away, 79 will become 3 raised to 6, 729. And 81 will become 3 raised to 4. Okay? 2 is there, it's magic. Now, limit x tends to 3. Now to convert into this order, if both the factors you divide by the same value, will the overall value remain same or not? If both of them you divide by the same number, then the same number would get cancelled and overall value would remain same. So both of them you divide by x minus 3. Means x raised to 6 minus 3 raised to 6 upon x minus 3. X raised to 4 minus 3 raised to 4 upon x minus 3. Both of them are divided by x minus 3. So basically this x minus 3 gets cancelled and overall value remains same. Now x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a, and this also x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus. So we have converted this question in this order to use the formula na raised to n minus 1. Did you understand the stepwise procedure of converting it? Okay. Now here, what is n?
6.
Write down 6. What is a?
3.
Write down 3. Raised to what is n? Write down 6 minus 1. Any confusions? Divided by. What is n? 4. What is a? 3. Again, what is n? 4 minus 1. Na raised to n minus 1 is applied here also, and na raised to n minus 1 is applied here also. Do you understand this? So n a raised to n minus 1. Again n a raised to n minus 1. Any confusion in this? Raise your hand who is not clear with it. Now 6 into 3 raised to 6 minus 1 is 5. Now again write in the normal order. Upon 4 into 3 raised to 4 minus 1 is 3. Now if you remember, don't do that calculation, Disha. Never do this calculation 3 raised to 5 and 3 raised to 3. We studied that in multiplication the powers get in multiplication the powers get added, and in division the powers get subtracted. So first of all, this 3 raised to 3 will get cancelled, and this 3 raised to 3 will get cancelled, and this power of 3 will get subtracted from the power of 5. In division the powers get subtracted. So 6 divided by 4 and 3 raised to what is 5 minus 3? 2. Do it this way only, because in some questions calculators cannot be used. So same pattern you follow in all the questions. Understood this? Now 6 into 3 square is 9 upon 4. 2 into 3, 2 into 2, so 3 into 9, 27 divided by 2. Did you all understand this? Any doubt up till here? Now, question 16. Limit x tends to 1. X raised to 7 by 2. Who is this talking continuously in between? 5 to 6 times I've turned that in module. Upon x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. One more time, if I get that noise in between, 16 times you'll solve this question. Entire batch. Now, limit x tends to 1. First of all, this 1 will be straight away substituted with 1 raised to 7 by 2. By the way, 1 raised to anything is 1. So value will remain same. Into x raised to 7 by 2 minus 1 raised to 7 by 2, and then we'll use the sign of division. Same way, x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 raised to 3 by 2. Did you understand this, everyone? Now both of them will be divided by x minus 1 to apply the magic formula. Okay, both are divided by x minus 1. So now this becomes x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. This also x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. Is everyone clear with it? Now both the places will use the formula. Anyone still writing up till here? Raise your hand. Now what is n? 7 by 2 into a 1 raised to n 7 by 2 minus 1. Divide by, what is n? 3 by 2 into a 1 raised to n 3 by 2 minus 1. Any confusion so far? Now 1 raised to anything is 1 only, so no need to simplify. This value will remain 7 by 2 and this value will remain 3 by 2. 1 raised to anything 1, so 1 multiplied by 7 by 2, 7 by 2. 1 raised to anything 1, so 1 multiplied by 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Did you understand this? Divide by means multiplied by reciprocal. So 7 by 3. Did you all understand this? As I said, you should repeat all the questions. They all are different ones. Okay? 17th. Now 17th I can ask you after doing one step. Limit x tends to 1. Cube root of x minus 1 upon square root of x minus 1. First of all, cube root means power is 1 by 3 and square root means power is 1 by 2. First we'll write that step, then it will become exactly similar. So equals to limit x tends to 1, x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 upon x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. Did everyone understand this? Now, Nandini, yes, sit down. It is so simple. I said in place of this 1, you replace 1 raised to 1 by 3. But you not attentive when I discuss that. And in place of this 1, you will replace 1 raised to 1 by 2. So x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 1 by 2 minus this 1 will become 1 raised to 1 by 2. And then the values will remain same. You will divide both of them by x minus 1. Both are divided by x minus 1, so the values will remain same. Sit down. Now, we have to apply the formula n raised to n minus 1. Thakur. In the first one. Correct. Are you all clear with this? But 1 raised to anything is 1. So straight away you can write 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. Now divide means multiplied by 2 by 1. So 2 by 1. Did you all understand this portion, everyone? So look at question number 14. Be attentive. Now 14 again I am explaining you, and 15 I will ask you. So understand it properly. Limit x tends to minus 2, x raised to 10 minus 1024 upon x raised to 5 plus 32. Now here, first I have taken x tends to all positive numbers, now I am taking all the x tends to negative numbers. So the point is, limit x tends to minus 2, what you have to do is same rule. Listen carefully. Put your pens down. In place of 1024, you will replace minus 2 raised to 10. Got it? In place of 32, you will replace minus 2 raised to 5. Once again, in place of 1024, minus 2 raised to 10. In place of 32, minus 2 raised to 5. And you will always use minus sign in between, even if plus is given. Because our formula is x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. You will use that sign. Don't think in detail, it will be correct only, which I'll explain you, but you don't waste your time in thinking in detail. Once again, 1024 will become minus 2 raised to 10. 32 will become minus 2 raised to 5. If in between there is minus, well and good. But even if there is plus in between, you write minus. So put down x raised to 10 in between minus only, always. Minus 2 raised to 10 divided by x raised to 5. Now you write minus, though there is plus. You will always write minus in between. Minus 2 raised to. Now why is it correct? Understand it. Even power, 10 is even number. Even power of a negative number is always positive. And plus into minus will remain minus. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. Odd power of a negative number is always negative. So minus into minus would become plus. Means minus 2 raised to 5 is minus 32. And minus 32 will become plus. It will always come correct, don't think. You just write in between minus. Then this number raised to this power, this number raised to this over. Is everyone clear with this? Now, next step. Both of them you will divide by x minus minus 2. You write x minus minus 2 only. Don't write plus 2. Okay? X raised to 10 minus minus 2 raised to 10 upon x minus minus 2. Divide by x raised to 5 minus 2 raised to 5 upon x minus minus 2. Because in this situation only it comes in the order x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a, and x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a. That's fine. So you always, instead of writing plus 2, you write minus minus 2. Understood this? Now what is n? 10. What is a? Minus 2. Raised to n? 10 minus 1. Divide by n, 5. A minus 2 raised to n, 5 minus 1. 10 into minus 2 raised to 9. Now you write in the denominator 5 into minus 2 raised to 4. Now what did I tell you? In division the powers get subtracted. So first of all, this 5 into 2 is 10. So can I write simply 2? And minus 2, this raised to 4 gets cancelled. What is 9 minus 4? 5. Okay, power 9 minus 4 becomes 5. Understood that? Minus 2 raised to 5 minus 32. And 2 into minus 32 minus 64. Okay, be very careful, slowly do it. Don't hurry up in solving it. Because anywhere you make a mistake of sign, etc., your answer will go wrong. Question 15. Limit x tends to minus 1 x raised to 2017 plus 1 upon x raised to 2018 minus 1. Okay, now limit x tends to 1 minus 1, x raised to 2017 in between always minus 1 raised to 2017. As I said, you'll always write this minus 1 raised to 2017 divided by x raised to 2018 in between minus 1 raised to 2018. Now I'm not explaining how they would be same, they'll be same only, don't worry. Okay? In between write minus and directly this minus 1 raised to 2017 minus 1 raised to 2018. Now limit x tends to minus 1, x raised to 2017 minus 1 raised to 2017 upon x minus 1 divided by x raised to 2018 minus 1 raised to 2018 divided by x minus 1. Now we'll use the formula. What is n? 2017 into a minus 1 raised to n 2017 minus 1 divided by what is n? 2018. What is a minus 1 raised to n 2018 minus 1. 2017 into minus 1 raised to 2016 upon 2018 into minus 1 raised to 2017. Now, what will be the even power of a negative number? Positive. So minus 1 raised to 2016 is plus 1 into 2017 as it is. Upon what will be the odd power of minus 1? Negative minus 1. In short, final answer is minus 2017 upon 2018. Did you understand this? Even power of a negative number becomes plus 1. Odd power of minus 1 remains minus 1. Minus 1 raised to anything is 1 only. Is everyone clear with this? And the last question of magic, question 12. Limit x tends to minus p, x raised to 4 minus p raised to 4 upon x raised to 3 plus p raised to 3. And same 2 by minus 3 or minus 2 by 3 is one and the same. Okay? Yes, silence. Mathematics is always confusing. Okay, exceptions are there. Now limit x tends to minus p. What did I tell you? Okay, here it's already in that order. X raised to 4, but you write minus p raised to 4. In between always, and you always take on the right side this number, minus p raised to 4. It will come same only. Okay, don't waste time in thinking. Divide by x raised to 3. Now, though plus is given, we'll use the sign minus. And we will write minus p raised to 3. It will always come same only, without thinking. Okay, now both of them you'll divide by x minus p. Now, what is n? 4. What is a? Minus b raised to n. 4 minus 1 upon what is n? 3. A minus b raised to n. 3 minus 1. Minus p raised to 3 minus p raised to 2. So minus p square gets cancelled. What is 3 minus 2? 1. Understood this, everyone? So, this magic questions of classwork 11 to 17. You repeat in homework and you repeat in this order only, not in the classwork order. So that you understand mixed questions. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sorry, not 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And in illustrations, illustration 23. Now listen carefully. They have solved illustration 23 with factorization, but you do with magic. Okay? They have done many steps and your answer will come in half of the steps. So I want you all to solve by that magic formula only. Illustration 23, 25, okay, 23, 25, 26 and 27. 4 illustrations. 23 they have done by a different concept, but you do by the magic.